Bring it in.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow. See, this is gonna be interesting. That's sort of a little bit better. Jonathan! What's happening, John?
You gonna document wheel changes?
Damn right, it's not just wheel change, it's coilovers. That's right, man. Oh yeah, this baby, she's gonna stand so nice. It's gonna be a hot rod.
Oh, you're gonna put something like
Trying to upclass redneck. Brought to you by GoPro. We gonna fix her up real nice here, see? It works in motion. Oh wow, Riley, this is going to be interesting.
What?
So we've got
Those are the two gears.
uh-huh.
And here's the springs with their cups.
Okay.
So then as you adjust those, you have to adjust those cups also. But
So this doesn't have an adjustee.
well, yeah, this is the adjustable part here.
No,
right?
no, I know. But
Oh, it does. I just didn't put it on because I need to see if it's long enough. So that's
Okay.
where we gotta like take the old one out and probably lower it, and I'll go up and or have to go inside of it and see where it comes out. But we also gotta let off the tension, right, on the spring.
tension on the spring will get let off pretty damn quickly.
But yeah.
Okay, we'll have to start yanking this bad boy.
Yeah, I don't. That would work.
Yeah, that would work right there.
It's like a bolt into a welded nut.
This
No, I just use my fist.
well, that's one way to do it.
So that, yeah, I guess it helps that you loosen that, but the nut just fell out, so I don't even think those are under much tension. Or maybe they are. It looks a little...
They are under a bit of tension.
Yeah. I didn't think it was going to go that easy. Oh,
Not much.
no. Very little.
So we don't need those. They're good. They're good insurance policies if you want to feel like, you know,
I can't believe
safe.
I did that. Yeah, I'm gonna stick some Kias on the rear of my car.
You're gonna need them. You're gonna have no car left.
Maybe I'll just drill that out and put it right there, and then it's like gone.
Yep.
Easy.
No, you want the ones.
Okay, I want to see up in there now. You set?
Oh look, you got a new nut.
Yeah.
Only one?
Well, you only need
Those
one.
are gonna be so long enough. What's these forum guys think? Well, I can tell that that's probably gonna be long enough, but I gotta put a hole through that
Okay.
plastic cup up in there. There's a plastic shroud. You can feel it.
Okay, you can do that after.
Well, you can't shove that in there. You won't be able to shove that in there, and that
Why?
doesn't bend that much. Or where are you going? Wait a second. Where's that going? I don't know
Off
where
to the
that's
side.
Did
I'm
you
just
push
gonna.
that plastic cup off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine then. I didn't know you pushed it off.
You want to grab me those nuts?
The old ones?
Yes.
Just give you one.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming they have these preset to the same already. Like, because we have to adjust the spring and the shock at the same
so
amount.
funny.
What?
This is not even close to the same height as before.
Yeah, we got zip.
Holy smoke. Oh, only tighten it to 21 foot-pounds.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hang on. Raise it up a bit. Okay. Come down. Keep coming. A little bit more. Stop there.
Let me just get this on there. Yeah, it's through. Not all the way through, but
That's fine. Well, that was fun.
probably gonna be sitting with some like negative camera after today
Well, I wanna.
in my rears.
Yeah, this is, dude. Just for fun,
You want to stick the wheel on?
I want to see what this looks like with the wheel on. Holy crap!
We don't really want to do it yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to spend money on new wheels.
I don't think you're gonna be able to fit your snows on there.
Yeah, I should be able to. They're only like a touch bigger than this. Oh, I guess you want a button.
Well, I don't know.
It's definitely higher.
Yeah,
I can tell you that right
I know
now.
it is.
Because
But-
when we pulled that off, they were just like drooping, and now it's like up.
Well, we'll see what
high.
the. Oops.
I'm gonna get a box and throw that stuff in there.
Just throw it in this box.
No, I'm gonna keep them.
I know. I mean, throw them in this box though.
No, I got a nice Rubbermaid box. I'm gonna leave them here. Yeah, I don't know what those are for. I don't even see anything in the
I bet you this is just
adapters or something.
a spacer to give you more height.
This is awesome. Are you videoing this?
Yes. We're gonna need to get some wood blocks to get this thing off.
I love that. I don't want to change that almost. Screw the alignment shop, man.
Wow.
The rear's higher, I'm surprised.
Your car's a permanent fixture.
The reason your rears are still higher is because you probably can't move these arms either. Oh, you can.